Hello student, today we will start our next topic, that is dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross, in which we track the inheritance of two different characters, and this experiment given by the Mendels. He proposed the second law of the independent assortment. Each pair of the alleles which segregate independently during the gamete formations, this known is the law of independent assortment. How many gametes will produce for the following alleles arrangement? Remembers the 2 is to 1 ki power n. N is equal to number of the heterozygotes. Like if there are two different alleles of this character, two different alleles, then 2 is to 2 ki power 2, then the four different type of the gametes are produced. If there are the four different type of the alleles, then these are represented by 2 ki power 3, and the 8 different type of the gametes are produced. Dihybrid cross. In dihybrid cross, we use the two different characters like the seed shape and seed colors. There are the four different alleles which cover the different character, like the capital R show that the round seeds, small r show the wrinkled seeds, Y, capital Y means yellow color, and the small y means the green color. If we cross this heterozygotes, then the four different combination of the gametes are produced. Similarly, into the female parents, they also produce the four different type of the gametes. In the dihybrid cross, we use the Punnett scale chart, in which the four gametes, the male gametes present along to the x-axis, and into the females four gametes are present along to the y-axis. And on the basis of this gametic combinations, these are the 16 different progeny which produce, with that the phenotypic ratio is to 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. And in the dihybrid cross, these are the character distributions found into the 16 different progeny. In the test cross, a matching between individual of the unknown genotype and a homozygous recessive individuals, like this, there are these parents, and these are the different the homozygous recessive parent, and these are the heterozygous. These are the two different combinations of the gene is produced, with that the different type of the genetic and phonetic ratio. These are the different possible results which produced by the test cross. Summary of the Mendel's law. According to that, the law of the dominance means that the all of the offspring are the tone. Law of that the segregations means the genes gametes are also segregate independently. The 75% are the show that the parentic combination, and 25% show that the small short type of the genotypic and phenotypic ratio. Third is the independent assortments, means into that the genes or the alleles segregate independently without affecting to each other. Incomplete dominance and codominance. In the incomplete dominance means a one hybrid have an appearance somewhat in between the phenotype of two parental varieties, means जो one population show that the characters intermediate between to the two parents, like into the case of the snapdragon flower, the red color flower and the white color flower cross with each other, then they produce this genotype show produce only the red color flower, and the small letters genotype produce only the white color flower. And these are the gametes produced by into the recessive parents, and these are the gametes produced by the dominant parents. In the incomplete dominance, these are the four different genotypes, populations with the four different genotypes are produced, and all are of the pink color. If there are the one dominant gene and the one recessive genes, means that the next progeny is heterozygous, but the color is the pink, that is not found into the either their parents. In the incomplete dominance, like the white flower and the red flower plants cross with each other, in the urban generation they produce all of the combination of this they further crossed with the white color plant. In the after generations they found that the one out of the four progeny is the white, 1 by 2 is the pink, 1 by 4 is the red, 1 by 2 is the pink, and out of the two, one progeny is the white in the color. The codominance. Codominance means the two alleles are expressed. Either this is also known as the multiple allelisms in the heterozygous individual. Example is that the blood group in the case of humans, the type A blood group either encoded by into that other the this and either by into the this. Similar into the old type of that the blood group, there are the different type of that other the alleles encode the different type of the bloods. Codominance problem means the homozygous males, they with the genotype is that or that this blood group is crossed with the heterozygous females with the type A blood group. Then there is the combinations of that or that the progeny is the this out of this 1 by 2 is the AB blood group, and the out of that the 2 one progeny with the B type of the blood group. Codominance problems, if that or that the male with that or that this genotype and female with that this genotype similar, the next progeny show that or that the 1:1 genotype and phenotypic combination. Codominance, if a boy has a blood type O and his sister has the blood type AB, what are the genotype and phenotype of their parents? If the boy this and the girl type this, then the parents genotype either into that other the A and B, and their phenotype is the A and B. Sex linked traits, the traits and genes located on the sex chromosome. Sex chromosome either into the X and into the Y. The females carries the both of that other the X gene, and the male carries the one X and the Y gene. The male sex linked traits carried on to the X chromosomes. The eye color into the case of that of the fruit flies is also the sex linked trait, in which the female has the 2X chromosomes and the male has the 1X and the 1Y chromosomes. The eye color in the fruit flies means the red-eyed males crossed with into the white-eyed male females. Then these are the genetic combinations of gametes produced by into the male and females. Then there are the 50% of the females are that of the red-eyed, and 50% of that of the male is the white-eyed. The females carriers in the sex-linked traits like the hemophilia, women are always carriers and men have that of the phenotype more often. Thanks.